Saluton mecánico, que el porta, saluton el tutamundo mecánico, audio, la jodo, esprit asas, ni kay mecánico chique, la nernasia, turismo, el tomundo mecánico. Lima mecánico, el mia pueblo Aceh multa Fernando Fina chique, kay audio, mi nernas, kay mi luas sia, la porta Fernando en la tono, Euro, Afrika, Asia, multa dapat dalam tomundo mecánico. Nun, mi bolas. Hafaz demandoi pun ya keram to chikia kia enda ang lalimpo nya kramiko mungkin ke chikia kia la multa da popoloi amas turismo mereto nun bon polu apus de long story alright got some several questions for you guys people know how is it talking about tourism including Aceh Nori because a lot of tourism like there's for the speaker for a lot of perennial company. So, what do you think about that?
Yes, today we have an very interesting training, because all people gathered here to learn something which is new for us and to expand and also to increase our capability in skill in guiding people around the world. Sometimes we just need this kind of upgrading so that we can upgrading our insight and knowledge, especially and particularly in the human resource improvement in tourism knowledge. So that I think this agenda and training really helpful for many of us. Especially for us tour guides in Malaysia.
Alright, just one more question, Mr. Alright, talking about, do you know what advantages for the coaching for human resources today? Because a lot of knowledge people love for tourism, work as tourism and getting every single one, like, physical from Europe, Africa, United States, so what do you think about that? Advantages for the coaching for today?
As man mentioned before, that basically we know that this kind of training really helpful for us, because the skill and also knowledge in guiding in tourism is really expanding day by day. Many of the sites, the tour sites is increasing. Sometimes we can create our own site for our for the tour itself, so that we just not relies on the site that has been provided by the nature itself, so that we can create something new for the sites of tourism, tourist place, so that the many strangers around the world can visit Aceh. They can find many beautiful place to visit, and to overcome this, we are as the tourists have to gain and obtain sufficient knowledge to explain them the particular explanation about the place that we're visiting in our place.
Alright, thank you for your explanation and part for today, because a lot of people say very happy because after get Navy and done lesson for today, there's a lot of invited a lot of future for how is coaching for human resources. Thank you. Sure, very much. Dan for filmnya film mecánico, ni justa lernas kian la portas la turismo turismo la mundo la angla lando e la ruso turco multa dan limpo mecánico estas en violando extrete justa atendas kia hafaz la atendas multa y gasto la tamundo mecánico dan por filmnya film mecánico ne forgesas mi hafaz la granda bebo estas trepe amuda del mundo lleno estas pandung sabia mecánico estas la trepe bona petit bebé tanto gisto la mundo dan por filmnya film mecánico dislar video